What's up guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to display reference data and allow users to select multiple items. Something like this. When we choose a loan type, the add-ons that are related to that loan type are displayed below as cards. That's our reference data. Now for every loan type, we can select multiple add-ons here. Towards the end, I'll show you how to convert these cards into a combo box that also allows us to select multiple add-ons. I'll show you how to do all of that with the latest Constellation architecture and in just 4 simple steps. But before we start, I have a small request. If this video helps you, please go ahead and hit that like button. Because truth be told, a lot of effort goes into making these videos, and your every single like makes that effort a success. Alright, let's jump right in. Step number 1. Create a data object for storing our reference data, the add-on catalog. Now here's the thing. Each add-on will be stored as a database record, and each record will consist of the add-on details like its name, description, loan type, base price, whether the add-on is active or not, things like that. Our data object will store these records, the reference data. I'll use this spreadsheet to create the data object. I'll share the spreadsheet in the Telegram channel. You can download it from there. Alright, let's go to App Studio, Data, New, enter a name for the data object, and click Next. Now here, choose Use a Spreadsheet, then Browse for the spreadsheet and select it. Pega will extract the column names from the spreadsheet and display them here. For each column, a corresponding field will be created in the data object, as you can see here. Now for each field, you can edit its name or change its type if needed. But everything looks good here, so I'll just leave it as is and create. Great, our data object is created with these fields. Next, we'll add the data records to it. I'll import them from the same spreadsheet that we used earlier. Purpose, choose Add Only. Click Next. Let's just skip validation step entirely and import. Very good, our add-on records are successfully imported. With that, our data object add-on is ready. By the way, I have covered data objects in detail in this video. You'll find the link in the description and in the card above. Next, we need something to fetch these add-on records from this data object. So step number 2, create a data page to fetch the add-on records for the selected loan type. For every data object, Pega automatically generates some data pages. Let's open this list data page and run it. It fetches all the add-ons, all 12 of them, for all the loan types. But, we want it to fetch only those that correspond to the selected loan type. For example, if home loan is selected in the drop-down list, it should fetch only those add-ons that are related to the home loan. So the point is, we need to make a few changes here to filter our add-ons by loan type. But let's not modify this data page. Instead, we'll save as this into a new one. List add-on filtered, create and open. Now we'll go ahead and make our changes here. Let's start by defining a parameter loan type. Definition tab. Right now, our data page uses this report definition as its data source. Let's open it up and save as into a new one. Filter add-ons by loan type. Create and open. Then let's define the same parameter loan type here as well. Create a tab. In the Edit Filters section, let's define a condition to filter our add-ons by loan type, where loan type is equal to param.loan type. Then click the gear icon and select Use Null if empty. Here we are basically telling the system that, hey, return only those add-on records where loan type matches the parameter value. Next, let's add one more condition to fetch only the active add-ons. Where is add-on active is true. Save and check in. Let's go back to our data page and replace this default report definition with the one that we just created. Then click Parameter and select Pass Current Parameter Page. Here we are simply passing on the loan type parameter value from the data page into the report definition. Save and check in. With that, our data page is ready. Finally, let's test it out. We will pass home loan as the loan type parameter value. This time our data page fetches only two add-ons that are active and related to the home loan. Flexi EMI plan and mortgage protection plan. Very good, our data page is working as expected. Alright, let's move on to step number 3. Create the fields, loan type and add-on and the case type. Let's switch back to App Studio and open the case type loan request. By the way, I have covered in detail how to create a case type and define your workflow in it in this video. You'll find the link in the description and in the card above. Plus, I'll share the zip file of this case type in the Telegram channel. You can download it from there, import it into your own Pega platform instance, and use it as the starting point for this exercise, instead of creating the case type from scratch. Alright, let's create the two fields now. Data Model tab, add field, loan type of type pick list. We're gonna display this as drop-down list. Pick list options, choose data page, then select the data page list add-on. Yes, this is the same data page we saw earlier that fetches all the add-ons. Display field, choose loan type, because that's what we want to display as the options in the drop-down list. Identifier field, choose a loan type here as well, because that's the value we want to store in the backend, the selected loan type value. Let's add the other field, add-on of type data reference, not pick list. Why? Because we want to display this as combo box or cards that allow for multiple selections. Data object, choose the one that we created earlier in this video, add-on. Now this will be a list of records because we want to allow the user to select multiple add-ons from the list and submit. With that, our two fields, loan type and add-on, are ready. Let's move on to step number 4. Add these two fields to the view of the related step in the workflow. Workflow tab. This is our loan approval workflow. Here, our step or user action, select loan type. We'll go ahead and configure the view for this step. Configure user action. Then let's add the two fields here. Loan type and add-on. Next, we will configure the add-on field, starting with a visibility condition, custom condition, when loan type is not null. This will make the add-ons to appear only after a loan type is selected by the user. We'll make a few more changes to the add-on field. We will display this as cards. In the data page field, select the one that we created earlier in this video to fetch the add-ons for the selected loan type. List add-on filtered. Then in the parameter, pass the value of the other field, loan type. Display field, choose name, add-on name. Then in the fields section, select the other fields that we want to display. Description of the add-on and its base price. Submit and save. Very good. With that, we have completed all 4 steps. Let's recap. Step number 1, create a data object for storing our reference data, the add-on catalog. Step number 2, create a data page to fetch the add-ons for the selected loan type. Step number 3, create the two fields, a pick list loan type and a data reference add-on in the case type. Step number 4, add these two fields, loan type and add-on, to the view of the related step in the workflow and configure the add-on field. Alright, let's test our changes. Preview. I'll create a loan request and navigate to the step select loan type. There it is. I'll choose a loan type here, home loan, and the add-ons that are related to the home loan are displayed below. Let me change to auto loan and the add-ons change dynamically as well. Let me ask you this question here. For every add-on, if you need to display one additional detail or field add-on code, in which place do you need to change? Option A, data page. Option B, data object. Option C, data reference field configuration. And option D, the port definition. Let me know your answer in the comments below. Finally, let me show you how to convert the data reference field add-on from the cards to a combo box. Exit preview. Select loan type step. Configure user action. The add-on field. Display as. This time choose combo box. Then make sure the same data page list add-on filtered that we used earlier with the cards is selected here, and the loan type field value is passed into it as the parameter. Display field, we will leave it as name, add-on name. Submit and save. And we are done. Let's test it out. Preview. I'll create another loan request. Navigate to the same step and choose a loan type. This time the add-ons are displayed in a combo box, allowing for multiple selections. Now, for those of you who have worked with older versions of the Pega platform, if you're wondering what a data reference field essentially is, well, a data reference field of type single record is a single page property in Pega, referring to the corresponding data page, whereas a data reference field of type list of records is a page list property, again referring to the corresponding data page. That's all for now. If this video helped you and you would want me to make more videos on Constellation in the future, make sure to like and subscribe. By the way, you can download the code zip file for this tutorial from the Telegram channel. And if you need Pega training, you can DM me on Instagram. You'll find all the links in the description below. I'll catch you in the next one.